When it comes to electrical systems, proper labeling and organization of your wiring can make a significant difference in both safety and efficiency. Whether you're working on a DIY project, maintaining existing wiring, or managing complex installations, knowing how to effectively label and organize your wiring can save you time, prevent errors, and enhance safety. In this blog, we'll explore why labeling and organizing wiring is essential, along with practical tips to achieve an efficient setup. Why labeling and organizing your wiring is important. Safety first. Proper labeling helps identify circuits and connections, reducing the risk of accidental shorts or miswiring. This is especially crucial when troubleshooting or making modifications to the system. Time efficiency. When wires are clearly labeled and organized, you can quickly locate the connections you need, saving valuable time during installation, repairs, or upgrades. Future-proofing. An organized wiring system allows for easier expansions or modifications in the future. New components can be added without having to unravel a tangled mess of wires. Troubleshooting made easier. If a problem arises, knowing exactly which wire corresponds to which function can help you diagnose and fix issues quickly. Compliance with standards. Many electrical codes and regulations require proper labeling of circuits and wiring to ensure safety standards are met. Steps to properly label and organize your wiring. Gather the necessary tools. Label maker or pre-printed labels, color-coded tape or markers, zip ties or wire organizers, electrical tape, permanent marker, cable management sleeves. Identify the wiring. Before you start labeling, take time to identify what each wire or circuit does. Create a master list that details the function of each wire in your system. Label each wire. Use a label maker or pre-printed labels to clearly mark each wire with its corresponding function. Include details like circuit number, voltage rating, and destination, E.G, room LED light, or kitchen outlet 1. For wires that are difficult to label directly, you can use color-coded tape or markers to indicate their function. For example, use blue tape for lighting circuits and red for outlets. Organize wires neatly. Group wires based on their function and keep similar types together. Use zip ties or wire organizers to bundle wires, preventing tangles and confusion. Consider using cable management sleeves to protect wires and keep them organized. This not only improves aesthetics but also reduces wear and tear on the insulation. Create a wiring diagram. Develop a visual wiring diagram that maps out your entire system. Include wire locations, labels, and any important notes. This diagram will serve as a valuable reference for future troubleshooting or upgrades. Keep documentation handy. Store your wiring diagrams and lists in a dedicated location, such as a binder or digital file. Ensure easy access for anyone who may need to work on the wiring system in the future. Regular maintenance checks. Periodically review your wiring and labels. Make sure they are still accurate and in good condition. Replace any damaged labels, and reorganize wires if needed. Educate others. If multiple people will be using or maintaining the wiring system, take time to educate them about the labeling and organization method you've implemented. This will help ensure everyone is on the same page and can work safely and efficiently. Conclusion. Properly labeling and organizing your wiring is an essential step for any electrician, DIY enthusiast, or homeowner looking to maintain a safe and efficient electrical system. By taking the time to label each wire, create a clear organization system, and document everything, you'll not only enhance safety but also streamline future maintenance and troubleshooting. Remember, a well-organized wiring system is not just a matter of aesthetics, it's an investment in safety, efficiency, and peace of mind. Start implementing these strategies today and transform your wiring for the better.